Hello everyone. So in your CMAT ka prep, GK is the most important part, and we have posted already a few videos for GK in which we have covered current affairs. We have covered current affairs for this particular year. हमने हिस्ट्री के बारे में किया है, बाद में थोड़ा बहुत साइंस के बारे में किया है. So now we are coming to स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में भी किया. But now geography is something that you need to cover. Geography is something जिसपे every year approximately 2 से 3 questions आते हैं. अगेन समथिंग ऑब्वियसली से अंडरस्टैंड आउट ऑफ 100 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन ज्यादा नहीं लगते पर ऐसे दो दो तीन तीन करके जीके पूरा का पूरा समवट 20 मार्क्स जितने का आ जाता है. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू स्टडी जीके फॉर द पीपल हु आर क्रैक स्टूडेंट्स. वेलकम बैक टू द लेक्चर. फॉर द पीपल हु प्रोबब्ली आर वाचिंग दिस ऑन यूट्यूब, इफ एट ऑल दिस इज रिलीज्ड ऑन यूट्यूब, इट्स अ बिग इफ, बट या, if it is released, then congratulations, you have reached till here, and that means that you guys are liking and commenting on our videos pretty well. Thank you so much, and I hope you benefit from this. And I have a surprise in this video for all of you who are watching this on YouTube. It's going to be an amazing thing for you. Chalo, let's start. So we are at 1000 CMAT GK questions. इसमें हम geography वाले चैप्टर में आज पहुंचे हैं. So yeah, the surprise that I was talking about is this. लोग लिटरली बोल रहे थे कि सर फीस थोड़ी कम हो जाती तो और अच्छा होता. वी वांटेड टू टेक एडमिशन एंड we came up with a solution. We literally are slashing our entire fees directly almost 10,000 से. So that is like 50% जितना तुम्हें डिस्काउंट हो रहा है, 47 to be precise. We came up with CET core and CET core alpha. इसमें बाकी सब जगह पे ये पैकेज में तुम्हें लाइव लेक्चर्स नहीं मिलते. वी आर गिविंग यू लाइव लेक्चर्स प्लस रिकॉर्डिंग्स प्लस मॉक टेस्ट, एंड इफ यू गेट द कोर अल्फा देन काउंसलिंग सेशंस एंड मॉक बडी सेशंस. अलॉन्ग विद दैट डाउट सॉल्विंग लेक्चर्स भी होंगे, वीकली काउंसलिंग्स भी होंगे, एंड डेली स्टडी टाइम टेबल जो हमारे सारे स्टूडेंट्स को मिलता है वो भी तुम्हें मिलेगा अलॉन्ग विद आवर ई बुक्स. दिस इज लिटरली अ पावर पैक कोर्स. वी आर ओनली रिलीजिंग दिस बिकॉज ये पहली बार इतना ज्यादा डिमांड आया है फॉर अ कोर्स दैट इज लोअर इन फी. We never had this much demand, so that is why we are releasing this year. CET core and CET core alpha, it has just released the day that I'm recording this video. इसके पहले release भी नहीं हुआ था, so that is why we never discussed this in any of the previous videos. So yeah, this is the best offering for you guys. Literally, if you compare this to even a course that is like 15-20,000, other courses in the market, they are literally nothing in front of this. This is the best value for money that you can get. तुम्हारे JBMS के बीच में सिर्फ ये कोर्स है अब. That's it. That's all that I can say. चलो, bye guys. अरे bye guys क्या? I'm sorry. Let's start with the video. Which is the largest continent by area? Everybody knows it's Asia. Africa is the second one. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Black soil cotton, that's right. Red soil groundnut, laterite soil wheat, and alluvial soil rice. लैटराइट सॉइल में वीट नहीं उगता. लैटराइट सॉइल इज रिलेटिवली, वीट को ऐसी कोई सॉइल चाहिए जो पानी पकड़ के रखती है. लैटराइट में पानी पकड़ के नहीं रखता. लैटराइट इज अ लूजली बिल्ड सॉइल जिसमें से पानी पास हो जाता है. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर वीट. ये सारी सॉइल्स हमने सीखी हुई है स्कूल में. The Indian monsoon is primarily caused by seasonal reversal of winds. That's option C. Which type of lake is formed due to tectonic activity? It is the Rift Valley Lake. How many countries share a maritime border with India? It is 7 countries. Which Indian river originates from मानसरोवर लेक? मानसरोवर से इंडस रिवर निकलती है. इंडस रिवर इज लिटरली द रिवर जिसके पीछे इंडिया का नाम रखा गया है. इट इज द रिवर which has the richest in terms of culture. The richest civilization has come out of the Indus River. Like Indus River के banks पे, that is Indus Valley civilization. A lot to learn about the Indus River. Which of the following canal gets water from the Satluj and BS River? Understand Satluj और BS River कहाँ पे है, इनसे तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि इनमें से कौन सा कैनाल वहां पे आ सकता है. इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल इज इन द नॉर्दर्न इंडिया. सतलज एंड BS रिवर, ये BS रिवर इज स्पेशली इन कश्मीर एंड हिमाचल में BS रिवर जाती है. इंदिरा गांधी इज अराउंड दैट एरिया ओनली. ठीक है, सो दैट इज अ गुड क्लू इन द वे दैट यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Which of the following was the first Indian state to introduce the oak tussar industry? It is Odisha. India's largest petrochemical complex is located at, it's in Gujarat. गुजरात का रिलायंस का जो पेट्रोकेमिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स है वो सबसे बड़ा है. Okay? It's in fact Asia's biggest oil refinery. So please be very careful. It's an extremely big refinery. ONGC's Paltana project, which is this company's first ever 726 megawatt commercial power project, was located in which state? It is in Tripura. Which of the following has the highest peak of the Himalayan range in India? In India, it is Kanchenjunga. Please remember, Mount Everest इंडिया में नहीं है, वो अब इंडिया के बाहर है. ठीक है. What is the average retreating rate of the Gangotri glacier per year? It is retreating, मतलब वो पीछे पीछे जा रहा है by 2 meters per year. Velikonda group of low hills is a structural part of which of the following? It is of Eastern Ghats. Which of the following was the former name of Gulmarg hill station? Gulmarg का पहले नाम गिरिजा मार्ग था. Gulmarg is a hill station that's in Kashmir. Gulmarg and Sonmarg, these are the two most common places when people visit Kashmir. These are public क्या बोलते हैं, public attraction sites. A lot of ice there. बहुत ज़्यादा snow होता है. Ice क्या? Snow होता है. Which atmospheric layer reflects the radio waves back to Earth? Radio waves back to Earth ionosphere से आती है. वो lunosphere नहीं है, ionosphere है. ठीक है? That's a capital I. Which type of farming is practiced in the Amazon basin? Amazon basin में shifting cultivation होता है. Shifting cultivation is तुम धीरे धीरे crops change करते रहते हो, तुम जगह भी change करते रहते हो. Which sea route significantly reduced travel time between Europe and Asia? It was the Suez Canal. Suez Canal अब तक बहुत ज़्यादा important है. In fact, I don't know if you guys remember or not. कोविड के टाइम या फिर जस्ट टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ कोविड, सुएज कैनाल वाज ब्लॉक्ड, जिसकी वजह से ग्लोबल मार्केट्स फॉल हो रहे थे, बिकॉज इट इज सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट पाथ थ्रू विच एशिया, यूरोप, ये सब जगह पे हम आइटम्स पहुंचाते हैं, ट्रेड चलता है. दैट जब वो ब्लॉक हो गया था किसी एक सी की वजह से, पूरा स्टॉक मार्केट, सब कुछ ग्लोबल मार्केट्स क्रैश हो रहे थे. इट इज दैट इंपॉर्टेंट अ कैनाल. विच कंट्री इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ नेचुरल रबर? इट्स थाईलैंड. Okay. Which factory what is India the largest producer of? It's the largest producer of coal. So be very careful. And coal is a completely public sector company, private sector नहीं है. Coal India is the company that manages it. Which factor best explains high population density in river valleys? Flat terrain and fertile soil. फ्लैट टेरेन की जगह वजह से ज्यादा लोग रह सकते हैं, एंड फर्टाइल सॉइल की वजह से दे कुड मल्टीप्लाई फास्टर, दे कुड हैव बेटर हेल्थ, दे लिव फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन. तो बाकी लोग भी जो बाहर रहते थे वो लोग फर्टाइल सॉइल की तरफ आए. विच फैक्टर इज मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर चेंज ऑफ सीजन्स ऑन अर्थ? इट इज अर्थ्स एक्सियल टिल्ट. एक्सियल टिल्ट मतलब अर्थ सीधा नहीं है, टेढ़ा है. तो जिस तरफ सन ज्यादा आता है वहां पे समर होती है, जिस तरफ सन कम आता है वहां पे विंटर होता है. The phenomenon of El Nino is associated with warming of Central and Eastern Pacific Ocean. ठीक है? Which type of cloud is associated with heavy rainfall and thunderstorms? It is cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus is a group of smaller clouds which come together, smaller clouds which with heavy moisture content. वो साथ में आते हैं, वो जब साथ में आते हैं and they dash against each other, एक दूसरे से friction की वजह से, that is when finally the cloud loses its ability to hold water and it rains. Which part of Earth experiences the least Coriolis effect? It's the equator. Okay, Coriolis effect is it is related to Earth's rotation. That कौन सी जगह पे rotation की वजह से ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. Coriolis effect is also least Coriolis effect होता है जिसकी वजह से ही Earth is actually not a round, it is an oval. So if you understand, Earth ऐसा प्रॉपर सर्कल नहीं है. Sorry, wait, I'll have to draw it out only for you guys. Earth is not a circle like this. Earth actually is like this. ये मैंने बहुत ज्यादा ओवल ड्रॉ किया है, बट अर्थ थोड़ा ओवलिश है. हाँ, ऐसा टाइप का ओवल है अर्थ और सर्कल नहीं है. वो कोरियोलिस इफेक्ट की वजह से है. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Not a greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas नहीं पूछा है. Oxygen is not a greenhouse gas. बाकी सब greenhouse gas कौन सी होती है? जो अर्थ में हीट स्टोर करके रखती है. Which geomorphic agent is most active in the coastal area? It is sea waves. Which latitude is known as the horse's latitude? It's 20 degrees to 30 degrees. Which factor primarily contributes to population distribution? It is climate. Climate, if you realize, सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन इज इन द इक्वेटोरियल एंड द एरिया जस्ट अराउंड इट, एंड जैसे जैसे तुम नॉर्थ की तरफ या साउथ की तरफ जाते जाते हो पॉपुलेशन कम होता जाता है. इट्स बिकॉज वहां पे सर्वाइवल भी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, वहां पे क्रॉप्स ग्रो करना भी डिफिकल्ट है, वहां पे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और लॉजिस्टिक्स भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाते हैं. विच पोर्ट इज लोकेटेड ऑन द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया? Paradip is the port that is located on the eastern coast of India. Which country is the largest producer of cocoa? Cocoa, obviously, the largest producer is Ivory Coast. Which climate is suitable for the citrus fruits? Citrus fruits मतलब जो नींबू, मौसमी, संतरा, ये सब citrus fruits होते हैं. They are mostly found in the Mediterranean region. Mediterranean region. Which Indian river drains into the Bay of Bengal? Bay of Bengal में कावेरी रिवर जाती है, बाकी सारी रिवर्स अरेबियन सी में जाती है. Which country has the largest area under desert? Largest area under desert is in Australia. Out of these, not largest मतलब overall largest नहीं, इन सब में से largest area is Australia. Which plateau is rich and also largest area under desert? वैसे देखने गए तो अफ्रीका है, बट यहाँ पे वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट आउट ऑफ दीज फोर. विच प्लेटो इज रिच इन मिनरल रिसोर्सेज इन इंडिया? छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो. आई एम रियली सॉरी, इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम स्लीपी, आई हैव अ breathing issue because of which my body needs to yawn to get more oxygen. So I have seen a lot of comments. जो लोग बोलते हैं अरे पहले नींद पूरी कर ले, आई एम लाइक screw you guys. Okay. You guys can be bullies online. You guys can't say a thing to my face. So please, shut up. Which desert is located in China and Mongolia? China and Mongolia में it is the Gobi Desert. Which Indian state shares a border with both Myanmar and Bangladesh? Myanmar और बांग्लादेश दोनों के साथ मिजोरम का बॉर्डर है. Which river flows through Vienna? Vienna, beautiful city. Danube or Danube river is the one that flows through Vienna. Vienna also was ranked as the most livable city last year. Okay. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Renewable resource, solar energy. Which country is the largest exporter of petroleum? Saudi Arabia. Obviously, I don't think कोई भी इसमें गलती करेगा. Which mineral is essential for steel production? Steel production के लिए iron ore चाहिए. Which factor mainly influences the location of industries, availability of raw materials? That has to be the answer. Which type of agriculture is practiced in densely populated Asian countries? It is intensive subsistence farming, जो इंडिया में और चाइना दोनों जगह पे होता है. Which ocean current is warm in nature? It is the Gulf Stream. Which region is famous for wheat cultivation in the USA? USA में wheat cultivation obviously wheat belt में होता है. Which country has the longest railway network in the world? It is USA. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, I just wanted to verify that कितने kilometers थे. It is 2.2 lakh kilometers. That is the entire length of railway connection जो अमेरिका में है. तो अमेरिका has the longest connection of railway tracks. Okay. Which strait separates Asia from North America? Asia और North America को Bering Strait separate करता है. Which continent has the lowest population density? Obviously it has to be Antarctica. Antarctica में population बहुत ही कम है. Absolutely unsurvivable condition sometimes. Which, in fact, Antarctica में जो population भी है, that is almost all near the coastline of it. Center में बहुत ही कम population है. Which country lies entirely in the southern hemisphere? Obviously, it's Australia. Which Indian river system flows through a rift valley? It is Narmada Tapi. In fact, उसका नाम ही है Narmada Tapi Rift Valley. Which Indian region is most affected by cyclones? It is the Coromandel coast. Okay. This is just a reminder for you guys again. I'm sorry about that. ये literally the call is for ये course का inquiry only. It is yeah. So guys, just a reminder for you that we are giving away, like we are literally giving away you the entire course, because इसमें 200 plus hours of structured learning content, पूरा तुम्हें recordings सब कुछ मिलेगा, प्लस B1 के live lectures, प्लस तुम्हें यहाँ पे extra workshops मिलेंगे, सब कुछ इसमें included है, along with mocks, along with analysis, and the best part is our ABC analysis, which literally nobody else gives you a personalized analysis, only Crack Every Test does. So please make sure that you guys are taking the full advantage of this course. In fact, obviously there are group discounts available. Already एक group ने enroll कर भी लिया है. A group of 22 people just enrolled today, like the day that I am recording. So yeah. And 22 people, they got a pretty good, they got like a 20 or 25% discount. Which city lies close to the Tropic of Cancer? It is Ahmedabad. Tropic of Cancer ऊपर है, Tropic of Capricorn नीचे है. Okay. Which river forms the largest delta in the world? It is the Nile River. The Indian Standard Time in based on which longitude? It is the 82 degrees 30 minutes. 82 degrees 30 minutes east is the longitude. बहुत सारे लोगों को लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्जिट्यूड में कंफ्यूजन होता है. लॉन्जिट्यूड मतलब बीच में लॉन्ग आता है, लॉन्ग मतलब सीधा, कितना लंबा है. लैटिट्यूड मतलब लैटरल. ओके. विच रिवर इज नोन एज द लाइफलाइन ऑफ इजिप्ट? इट इज द Zambezi रिवर. Which type of rainfall is common in the equatorial regions? It is convectional rainfall. Okay, heat transfer की वजह से, convection की वजह से. Which country is both in Europe and Asia? It is Turkey, or Turkey as they like to call it. Which country has the highest number of time zones? Highest number of time zones are in France. Understand, it's not because of just the France country as it is. A lot of French territories are outside of the country. मतलब ओशन के अंदर है तो वो भी फ्रांस का ही पार्ट है, फ्रांस की टेरिटरी के अंदर आता है वो. सो दैट इज व्हाई फ्रांस हैज द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम जोन्स. ठीक है. Which desert is located is the coldest in the world? It is the Antarctic. Antarctic is a cold desert. Please be careful. The imaginary line at 23.5 degrees south latitude is called as the Tropic of Capricorn. ऊपर वाला Tropic of Cancer, नीचे वाला Tropic of Capricorn. Be careful. Which strait separates India and Sri Lanka? It is the Palk Strait. Which continent has no permanent human population? It's Antarctica. उसमें लोग permanent नहीं रहते. Which Indian city is known as Queen of Arabian Sea? It's Kochi. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? It is the Narmada River. Which country has the maximum number of volcanoes? It is Indonesia. Most of them are not active volcanoes. ठीक है. In fact, the country with the maximum number of active volcanoes is USA और जापान में active volcanoes बहुत ज़्यादा है इंडोनेशिया से. Which Indian island group lies in the Bay of Bengal? Bay of Bengal right side वाला अंडमान एंड निकोबार है, left side वाला अपना लक्षद्वीप है. अंडमान निकोबार बाय द वे ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस फॉर ट्रैवल, जिनको भी ट्रैवल पसंद है अंडमान निकोबार ब्यूटीफुल. Which climatic region receives rainfall throughout the year? It is the equatorial region. Equator के पास. That is why African Amazon rainforest में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश आती है. The Deccan Plateau is composed mainly of basalt rocks. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? It's Japan. जापान में सबसे पहला सनराइज होता है. नॉट एक्चुअली सबसे पहले, इट इज कॉल्ड द लैंड ऑफ राइजिंग सन. अगर देखने गए तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का टाइम जापान से भी आगे है. विच रिवर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट इन इंडिया? इट इज द गंगा रिवर. मदर ऑफ ऑल द रिवर्स इन इंडिया बोलते हैं ना. विच लेयर ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर कंटेन्स द ओजोन लेयर? ओजोन लेयर इज इन द स्ट्रेटोस्फियर. विच इंडियन स्टेट इज नोन एज द स्पाइस गार्डन ऑफ इंडिया? इट इज केरला. Which sea is the saltiest in the world? It's the Dead Sea. Dead Sea is so salty that तुम चाह के भी उसमें डूब नहीं सकते. It is that salty. Which river flows through the city of Paris? It is Seine River. Okay? Seine. It's called the Seine River. It's not Seine. It's Seine River. The roaring 40s are westerly winds. Which Indian state has the highest population density? It is Bihar. बिहार में सबसे ज्यादा population density है. Not the highest population. It's a population density. Highest population is in UP. Which grassland is found in South America? It is the Pampas. Which river is called the Blue Nile? Blue Nile is Abe River. Which type of soil is best suited for tea cultivation? It is the laterite soil. Laterite soil अपनी यहाँ पे होती है, असम और वो सब जगह पे laterite soil काफी है. Again same. I'm really sorry about that. मैं फोन थोड़ा साइलेंट पे रख देता हूँ. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Coffee का largest producer is Brazil. In fact, Brazil also has very good quality coffee. It is also the largest producer of footballers. It's a joke very few people will understand. ठीक है. Which mountain range runs along the western coast of India? It is the Western Ghats. Very simple one. Which ocean current is responsible for warming Western Europe? Western Europe के लिए Gulf Stream है. Okay. Which region is known as the greenery of the world? It is the prairies. Which Indian river is known as the Ganga of the South? Obviously Ganga नहीं होगा, South based rivers इनमें से कावेरी है. Which Indian river is known as the river of sorrow of Bihar? It is the Kosi river. Which continent has the highest average elevation? Highest average elevation Antarctica में है. Why? Antarctica का ground तो बहुत कम है, but उसमें इतना ठंडी है that वो बर्फ का पूरा layer है. In fact, it is said that अगर Antarctica का पूरा बर्फ हम equally पूरे अर्थ पे डाल दें तो approximately जो हमारा अर्थ का लेवल है 30 फीट से इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. 25 से 30 फीट जितना पूरा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. इतना ज्यादा बर्फ है एंटार्क्टिका में. ठीक है. Which type of forest is found in areas with moderate rainfall? It is a tropical deciduous forest. Extremely dense forests, deciduous forests. Okay. Which sea separates the Europe and Africa? Europe और Africa के बीच में Mediterranean Sea है. Which river originates from the Yamunotri Glacier? Yamuna, obviously. बहुत easy answer. Which region is known as the roof of the world? Roof of the world हम पामीर प्लेटो को बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Because of overall average very high altitude. Average altitude बहुत high है. Which Indian state has the largest mangrove forest area? It is West Bengal. West Bengal के mangroves are obviously known. Which Indian river is known as the Vriddha Ganga? Vriddha Ganga is Godavari. Which country has no coastline? ऐसी कोई country, Bolivia is the country which has no coastline. आजू बाजू किधर है ही नहीं कोई सी. Which plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals in India? It is the Chota Nagpur plateau. A repeated question, but definitely something that you should keep in mind. Which is the largest island in the world? It is Greenland. Greenland is not a continent, it's extremely big, but it's an island. I have no idea. Nobody has an idea why is it called an island, but उसको island ही बुलाते हैं. ठीक है. Which type of climate is found in the Mediterranean region? It is warm, temperate, western margin climate. ठीक है. Which Indian state has the maximum number of national parks? It is Madhya Pradesh. मध्य प्रदेश में बहुत ज़्यादा national parks है. My favorite being Kanha National Park. Tigers. I love tigers. Which river flows through the city of London? It's the Thames River. Which ocean current causes heavy rainfall on the western coast of South America? It is El Nino current. Which Indian river flows through the marble rocks near Jabalpur? Narmada River. Which line passes through Greenwich, England? It's called the Prime Meridian. Prime Meridian is literally the line जो अपना ये डिसाइड करता है टाइम. प्राइम मेरिडियन जहाँ पे है दैट इज 0 टाइम, और इंडिया जैसे +5:30 प्राइम मेरिडियन है तो मतलब प्राइम मेरिडियन के 5 घंटे ज्यादा उसका टाइम है. जब उधर 12 बजते हैं इधर शाम को 5:30 बजते हैं वैसा. Which country is known as the land of midnight sun? It is Norway. ठीक है. So yeah. So we have covered 100 questions on GK, especially the geography ones. इसमें सिर्फ इंडियन नहीं बाहर का भी geography cover किया है. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys know that there is a target for likes and comments on each and every video. इसका target again is 250 and 400. 250 comments and 400 likes. चल. I hope this video was helpful. And for the people who are watching this on Crackavatus app, thank you so much for being a part of the course. Bye everyone.